Hey guys, I wanted to take some time and show you how to complete your corrections for the physics unit test. So the first thing you need to do is go to quizzes so you can see your score and your answer choices. I'm going to type in quizzes.com and join. So once you go to quizzes.com, you need to make sure that you're signed in. If you're not signed in, then you need to hit the login button right here, login. I'm going to log in with Google. Click your school account. And now that you're logged in, you can see your recent activity. Under recent activity, you should be able to see the physics test that we just took. You'll click on recent activity, and then over to the left, you see your grade. And then it says review. We're going to review your grade. So as you scroll down, you'll see that the questions you missed are right on top, and they're in red. So this one shows 1, 2, 3 missed questions. Everything under the red questions you got correct, so you don't need to correct those questions. You only need to correct the red questions. And so you can click on the question you missed, and it will tell you the correct answer. It has a green check, and then it shows you your answer. And you can click next to go to the other questions that you missed. Once it turns green with a check mark, that means you don't need to correct them anymore. You're already done correcting. So these are the ones that we're going to correct, just the red. So now that you know where to find your answer choices at, let me show you where you do your corrections. To do your corrections, you're going to go to the test corrections and click on the corrections template. It says to remember to follow these 3 steps. You're going to rewrite the question that you missed, write the answer you picked and your new answer, and then tell me what was confusing about the questions. So I tell you what to do here. I give you an example here. It's the same thing we did last time. And so if I know that I missed let's say I know I missed question, let's see what question I missed. I missed this question 2. It says find the speed when the distance is 142 and the time is 2 hours. So I can copy that. So the question I missed was 2, question 2. And I'm going to paste the question in. You can paste your options in. And then you're going to tell me the answer that you picked. So I had picked 17 kilometers per hour. My new answer will be the correct answer, 71 kilometers per hour. And then you're going to tell me what confused you or why you think you got that question wrong. So I could say, I divided time by distance instead of distance by time. Or I tried to do the math in my head. So maybe you got it wrong because you didn't use a calculator, you're just trying to do it in your head. So just be honest with me and tell me what you think went wrong, and then you can move on to the next question. And then you're going to do the same thing, copy the question, the answer options, tell me your choice, your new choice, and then why you got it wrong. So you could just be honest, I don't remember what unbalanced forces mean. Just tell me the truth. I guess I was confused because I couldn't understand what this word meant. So just be honest and tell me what confused you. Once you're done, it will save automatically, and you can just exit out and turn it in on Google Classroom, and then I'll give you back half the credit of what you missed. So if you got a 60 on the test and you do all of your corrections, I'll give you half back what you missed. So if you got a 60, you lost 40 points. I'll give you half of 40 back, which is 20 points back. So if you got a 60, you could potentially get an 80 if you do all of your corrections. If you're confused about the corrections, make sure you comment or email me.